Well, first of all, I agree with a lot of Dave Ramsey says, cut up your credit card, stay out of debt. I agree with that. But the life insurance, he gets totally wrong. And I tell people this very simply. You've been told a lot of stuff about life insurance. Let me share with you the ultimate truth, because here's the ultimate truth. The only policy that matters is the one that's in force on the day that you die.
Oh, yeah.
Less than 2% of term policies are ever in force on the day that you die. Now, that doesn't mean term is bad. What that means is term is there when the kids are little, when the bills are high, when the paycheck is low, you buy term insurance to get adequate coverage. But if term is your only policy, you're going to die with zero life insurance in force over 98% of the time. You can't use term to leave a legacy to your children if you're 70 and 80 years old and die. No, term's too expensive. You have to cancel it. You can't use term for some business. Can't use term for estate planning. So this whole thing that only term, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Term only pays if you die young. And then his thing is, well, you won't need life insurance when you're older. You're going to be rich.
You're self-insured.
I can prove that one wrong because who buys the biggest policies? Old rich people do. See, if Dave was right, old rich people wouldn't buy any life insurance. They buy the biggest policy. So he's dead wrong on that.
Here's the deal. There's absolutely nothing wrong with you having a term insurance contract because it addresses your need in that specific period of time. I, for one, do have a permanent life insurance contract, and here's the reason why. If you're interested in building generational wealth for yourself or ensuring that something gets transferred to your children whenever you pass on in the form of a legacy, it is important for you to have some level of permanent life insurance contract. It is okay to have term for the immediate purpose. They have nice and decent coverage because it is affordable. Generational wealth requires you having something that guarantees a payout whenever you pass on. So if you're interested in designing or for me to design one for you, most especially a permanent life insurance policy that guarantees a payout, likewise generating wealth for yourself while you're still alive, which is term living benefit, DME Empire, and I will be willing to design one for you. Thank you for listening. See you later.